China tour.
We are in Hunan.
Oh my god. ZhangJiaJie.
Oh. Hey, that's not the city. It's the mountain.
Yeah, it is. No, the city is called that too.
Oh.
So we're just grabbing some food right now, and then we're headed up the mountain tomorrow. Are you excited?
Feels like 100 degrees.
That's because it's actually 97 degrees right now, and it's like 200% humidity. Got your first souvenir. What's it say?
ZhangJiaJie.
Close enough. ZhangJiaJie is such a magical place. The floating mountains of Avatar were inspired by the park. This was actually my second time visiting the park, and it was still absolutely breathtaking. I'm so glad I got to share this experience with my mom, and that Kevin's first time visiting China started off on such a good note. Hello. These Chinese people are not kidding around. They got a McDonald's all the way up in the mountains. Chinese dessert called bing pho.
Monkey kidney.
Yep, that's what it is. It's like this brown sugar jelly thing.
It's like jello.
Yeah, kinda.
You smell funny.
Look at the little turtle. And then all these ones. This one's struggling. This is me. This is everyone else. Got mango and green bean, which I swear tastes better than it sounds. This is what we're about to get on. This over 300 floor elevator. You afraid of heights? We got a front row seat. Last stop of the tour. How you feeling? Conquered. We came down from that. Holy. It's broken wing. Could it still fly?
Should I kill it?
No, what the f? We made it to the monkey garden. Hello. Aww. Next to the monkey garden, we found a man making ginger candy by hand. Ginger is a staple in herbal medicine and is said to benefit the digestive system. He pulls the candy until it turns white and hardens. And this is what the finished product looks like. In Chinese, it's called jiangtang. Oh, wow.
By long time shui.
What?